Guys, it's officially Dirty December. I hope you guys are pumped, cause this December, this year has been a lot for you not to want to celebrate yourself. This year has been a lot for oh my god, I can't even speak. How you guys doing? Welcome back to a new vlog. Today is gonna be an exciting day. Going out with my friends, so we're having a slumber party today. It's a girls' night in. So we're gonna have a fun time. We have a beautiful apartment that we're going to be staying tonight, and it's just girls. We're like 15 girls having so much fun. You guys, I'm going to take you guys along with me, of course. Please, if you are seeing anything on my background, see, my house is in a mess now. I'm running late. It's past 2 now. I'm going to pick up Marida and we're going there together. Let's have fun, guys. See, and this is not my Dirty December hair. Don't worry. Still, you just come. Let's have fun. I didn't drop a video last week because I wanted to take a break. Not like I didn't have anything to post. Of course, I started my Dirty December in November safe. So, but I just wanted to take a break last week. But this week is back to back content. You guys come and let's go. Almost missing my flight today. I look good even though I feel shitty. I just got back out this way. You already got plans for the city. So we're here. This is our space. See how beautiful this place is. The rooms are upstairs, 4 rooms, and this is our gift. We all have our names on it, as you can see. This is our kitchen. This is the kitchen. This is our fridge. We are Jesus babies. We don't drink alcohol that much. So we have drinks and water, and yeah. This is our food. Moi moi, coleslaw, rice. This food is a lot. As in, it's a lot. That guy, I don't understand now. The guy won't mess me up. Don't do this to me. Hey, don't mess me up, but I don't feel for it. Why is it?
Candy organic.
Hi guys.
Hi.
My name is Candy.
Hi, Candy.
My name is Jane Peters. Actually, but you can call me Candy Bell.
Your name is what?
Jane Peters.
Oh, okay.
But you can call me Candy Bell.
Hi, Candy Bell. Okay.
Okay. What else?
What do you do?
Oh. I'm a fashion model, an entrepreneur too. Good vibes, good energy.
What do you pronounce?
Nice to meet you guys.
Purr.
Her.
What do you pronounce? What do you say?
Purr. She pronounce purr.
Still can patronize.
Komunti. Hotel is sorrow.
Hi.
My name is Abiola, but you can call me Ruby. I'm an entrepreneur. I sell jewelry, perfumes, and I'm learning makeup. So soon to be a makeup artist. I'm married. I have two kids. Is that one?
Go on, no.
Okay, I'm married. I have 2 kids. A boy and a girl. It's nice to meet everyone. Everyone is looking beautiful.
Thank you.
Hi everyone.
Hi.
Okay, so my name is Marida. I'm into skincare. I'm a skincare therapist and I'm also a realtor. And okay, so I'm happy to be here today and I'm happy to have all of you around. Thank you for being cooperative all along. Thank you so much. Thank you for your love. Thank you for being here. I'm happy to have you guys around. And I love the energy. I love the positive energy.
Yes,
Thank you.
Ready?
No, she's not.
Hold on.
Yo, chill out.
Okay, alright. In 3, 2, 1. So, hold on, please. I'll just call him.
You go.
Omolola, please come for your gift. Wow.
Namio.
Mochi Sala. Opo. Oh my God. You're welcome. Sabina. Gege. Oh my God. Oh, thank you. Lydian. Hey. Opo. Nikki of Lele. Of Lele. Of Lele. You're welcome.
Let me close my mouth.
Wow.
Olabisi. Take. This is
If you see me die, who recorded HIV? Who recorded what?
him.
Videos on his phone with his friend.
People have fetishes, yeah?
Let's go.
Somebody start again.
846.
Hold on, no. Men, before I start, I carry you now.
Lemon.
See the winner here.
Lemon.
As in, now why she
Lemon.
Lemon
6, lemon 8.
Lemon 8, lemon 4.
Lemon 6, lemon 8.
Lemon 8, lemon 4. Lemon 8, lemon 4.
Continue. Continue.
Who is that? Lemon 4 start.
No, come on your chest. Lemon 4, lemon 8.
Lemon 8, lemon 4.
Lemon 4, lemon 6. Lemon 6, lemon 8.
Lemon 8, lemon 4.
Lemon 4, lemon 8.
Lemon 8, lemon 4.
Lemon 4, lemon 8.
Lemon 8, lemon 4. Lemon 8, lemon 4. Lemon 8, lemon 6.
Lemon 6, okay.
So who is out?
Lemon 8, lemon 6.
Lemon 6, lemon 8.
Lemon 8, lemon 6. 8, 6.
Hey guys, it's the next day. It's Sunday. I just came back from service. Service was great, and the party we had yesterday, oh my god, it was so fun. I'm with my friend here, Muji. Hi guys. We are going to the spa. I'm going to get a massage done. Muji was going to the spa. She told me, I'm like, okay, I don't have money for spa. Oh, she's like, don't worry, I got you. I got you. So she's gonna pay for my massage. Oh. Like, get you friends, get you billionaire friends. Yeah. Get you rich billionaire friends. Yeah. So guys, the spa is at Magojo. Do you know the way?
No, we use the map.
Okay, we'll use Google Maps to get there. So see you guys there. Bye.
I had a dream, but got everything I wanted, not what you think. And if I'm being honest, it might have been a nightmare to anyone who might care. Thought I could fly, so I stepped off the golden. Nobody cried.
There is a thin line between life and death. There is a thin line between failure and success. Yabo Jane Sorrow. Please, a round of applause for Yabo. She has been so supportive. Yes. I mean, every time I say Yabo, you post, she'll post. Oh yeah, Yabo post. She has been pushing. Not just Yabo, Uche, everybody. Cute Abiola, everybody that.
They are still crying. I understand that. That's why they are not clapping enough. People are still crying. Who was your favorite character? If you love your way out, come and get your flowers. Come and get your flowers. Pastor Ray Ray, are you in the building? Please make your way out here.
Hey guys, how you guys doing? Please don't mind this angle. I'm just laid back today and I'm looking at you guys up there. What's happening? What's up? I went for the Tin Line movie premiere yesterday, as you guys saw. That movie is so good. That movie is really good. AIGBE really put in the work in that movie and she did well. Nollywood is, oh my god, Nollywood is going far. Like, we're flying, man. The movies they bring out these days, oh god, they're so nice. So nice. You guys watch that movie when it comes out to the cinema. It's so good. You'll enjoy every bit of it. The plot twist and like the movie is so good. I don't want to spoil it. Anyway, today I'm going to service my car. I haven't done that in like 3 months at this point. I literally forgot. So I'm going there with my friend. I'm waiting for him. Cares, we're going together. So let's go and service the car.